What a beauty we have here, just arrived in off the last lady owner. The car is absolutely stunning. Wow, does make a statement. A Maserati Levante. This is the Gran Lusso, so the luxury model of it all. Finished this absolutely fabulous Blu Emozione with light sand beige leather. The combination is absolutely stunning. It looks amazing. The car is absolutely outstanding all the way around, totally unmarked, absolutely beautiful all the way around, and many factory fitted options. We believe around £11,000 worth of factory fitted options. There could be more. It's got a 21-inch upgraded alloy wheels amongst some of the options, panoramic roof, cameras, just to name a few, but let's take you all the way around it. It really does make a statement. All the wheels are absolutely like brand new, not a mark on any of these. Gran Lusso, V6 diesel, 270 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, automatic. Again, the rear wheel fitted with matching Continental tyres all the way around. Electric tailgate. A massive boot on it. All the loading area totally unmarked. It's even got the plastic on the chrome trims there from new. Split folding rear seats, through load facility, additional storage just under there, and all the toolkit just under there, all complete. Electric tailgate closure just there. And again, just look at that colour. Beautiful. Again, the near side rear wheel. All the bodywork is totally unmarked. No dents, no scratches, no little dust scuffs or little dings anywhere. And the final wheel, again, as you can see, absolutely pristine. Just look at those pillarless doors. Absolutely magnificent. And that interior combination. Nice touch with the Maserati badge on the rear quarter. Again, all the trims. Got the 2 trim contrast on there. Plenty of legroom in there, lots of space. Again, absolutely beautiful. Sheer opulence. Nice touch with the Maserati embossed on the seats. Automatic lights, keyless start, ladder multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, nice big clear screen for the satellite navigation, and look at the mileage, just 14,488 with full Maserati service history. 2018 on an 18 plate. Very stereo controls. Nice big clear satellite navigation screen, multimedia, all touchscreen, so nice and easy. Heated seats. This one also has the blind spot illumination. As you can see, nice and easy to navigate all the way around. Bluetooth phone. Passenger heated seats. Reverse cameras. Again, giving you a bird's eye view. The mirrors drop down automatically as soon as you're in reverse. Just look at the quality there. Various drive modes with the air suspension, so you can get the handling just absolutely perfectly how you want it. All controlled from there. That's the air suspension. We can adjust manually or automatically to adjust itself. USB input, aux input, cooling glove box, centre armrest, which also has a cooling facility. The panoramic glass sunroof, tilt and slide. With electric blinds. And lovely embossed again with the Maserati and the head restraints. It's got the upgraded stereo system. Great Harman Kardon stereo. This is just pure luxury in here. If you want a car with luxury as something that stands out, this has got to be the one. Great to drive, outstanding condition, 14,000 miles, in amazing condition. So there we have it. Maserati Levante Gran Lusso, 14,000 miles, many factory options, outstanding condition, fabulous colour combination. Part exchange, always a pleasure. We can arrange finance direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. Just look at that grille, it looks absolutely awesome. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. And we do the video to show you exactly how nice our cars are, so nothing is left to chance. So if you fancy this car at 2 o'clock in the morning, gives you the full confidence to buy this car, knowing there is nothing wrong with the car. Click and reserve this car, collect from our showrooms, or we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for further details. Happy to help. Phone numbers 01782 822 700. And should you require a more personalised video of any aspect of the vehicle we've not shown you on this main video, please give us a call. Happy to send you another video, so forth. What an amazing car. A real presence. Sheer opulence. Whatever angle you look at it, there's a sure presence about it. Phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.